Hello, hello friends. My name is Mitesh Metala. I'm here to introduce the business valuation and its benefits, one of the main topic of the corporate valuation. Let's start. First one is introduction. The business valuation provides the business owner with multiple fact and figure regarding the actual worth or value of the company in terms of market competition, asset value, and income values. Business value are usually value based on future profitability. We know all the businesses depend on your profit in maximization. The benefit of business valuation. The first one is the better knowledge of the company asset. It is significantly important to obtain an accurate business valuation assessment for the longer period of your business. Specific number need to be gained from valuation process only. The business owner can obtain proper insurance coverage and know how much to reinvest into the company. The second one is the understanding of the company resale value. The process should be started far before the business goes up for sale on the open market because you will have an opportunity to take a more time to increase the company's value to achieve a higher selling price from last time. As a second one is, as a business owner, you should know what your company's valuation is. The third one is you also need to be aware of what your company's resale value really in order to negotiate a higher selling price. How can you negotiate it at that? The third one is the obtain a true company value. Simple data such as a stock market value data, total asset value, and company bank account, so that we can get the actual value of the company. There is a much more to business valuation than those simple factors. True value of your company is often and deciding a factor if selling the business become a possibility. The true value, logo of true value. Better during mergers and acquisition. If a major company asks about purchasing your company, you have to be able to show them what he value is as a whole. And major corporation will attempt to acquire your business or merge with it for as a little money as possible. The merger and acquisition. We know the merger and acquisition. Recently, the Vodafone Idea is merged with each other. Access to more investor. The investor to fund a company growth or save it from financial disaster. The investor is going to want to see a full company valuation report. That can be only by invested by that. Investor like to see where their money is going and how it is going to provide them with a return on investment. So investor is likely they check the all value, then they came to your company and then invest in your company. Thank you.